To live is the rarest thing in the world. Most people just exist, said the Dublin-born writer Oscar Wilde. And today, I choose to live it to the fullest. First thing in the morning, I love sitting on the balcony and breathing in some fresh air while also doing some affirmations. It really helps me to start my day in a calm and positive way. I also do yoga and stretching exercises, so I feel energized for the rest of the day. Favorite part of the morning is making a cup of matcha. It's been part of my routine for a while now, and I can really feel the difference. It's packed with antioxidants and L-theanine, which is an amino acid that promotes relaxation and focus. After I have my matcha ready, I love sitting at my favorite corner and read some books. If you've ever wondered why people behave the way they do, you'd love The Concise Laws of Human Nature by Robert Greene. It's an interesting mix of psychology and self-growth, and I'm really enjoying it right now. I also take some time to journal. It's a nice way to sort out my thoughts and set a clear plan for the day. Then it's time to unwind with a fun show and some snacks. Emily in Paris has been my go-to lately. I think it's the perfect light mood for the morning. After I had breakfast, I got ready for some fresh air. But first, let me show you what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing this pink vintage shirt. It has some roses on the collar. And then these white jeans. And then these white sneakers. And then of course my little handbag. And I'm ready to go. So I finally made it to Phoenix Park. It's a great escape from the busy city life, and it's actually one of the largest parks in Europe. It's known for its deer, and today I was finally able to spot some. After I had a nice walk, I got back home and dressed up again for a nice dinner in the city. While I'm getting ready with some light makeup, I like to keep things minimal. By the way, I'm trying to avoid brands that support the genocide in Palestine. Finishing up with some final touches, I can't resist a bit of jewelry, so I'm putting on these earrings. And this necklace. And of course, a little perfume to complete the look. Here we are on Dawson Street, right in the heart of the city. I'm heading to Café en Seine. It has such a nice atmosphere. And as you might guess from the name, it has a Parisian flair. I have ordered this fancy drink. It's called La Vie en Rose. After that, I had a main dish. It was really delicious. This is my outfit for tonight, and I have a little planned for after dinner. So tonight I'm at the National Abbey Theatre to watch a musical. It's called Mars and it's about astronauts and AI software, so I'm pretty excited. See you later. Bye. This is the National Abbey Theatre. The auditorium looks so huge. Like honestly, it would be a dream to perform on that stage. Last but not least, I really need to mention that the show was absolutely incredible. I really enjoyed it. It was basically an opera about space colonization, where 4 housewives went on a mission to Mars, and they were facing isolation and challenging social ideologies, which really made me think about how space travel and our big ambitions can affect the future we are heading towards. Finally, that was it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed watching this vlog, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care, bye!